Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Anker PowerConf S3 Bluetooth and USB speakerphone. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $100. Now this is another one of those simple and effective tech products that you probably didn't think you needed, but if you work at home or you talk on the phone a lot, trust me when I tell you, you need this. All right, so let's check this one out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. Anker PowerConf S3 Bluetooth and USB speakerphone, $100. Let's go through the features real quick. You got 360 voice coverage for up to 8 people. DSP reduces ambient noise. You got voice broadcasting indicator lights. You can charge your devices. Compatible with leading platforms like Skype and Zoom. You got 6 mics for superior voice pickup. Smart voice enhancement technology. 24-hour talk time. Now there's a 6,700 milliamp battery built into the speaker. You can connect to a PC via USB cable. And this is lightweight and compact. All right, so all of that for $100. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you've seen me use this before on my LG Velvet giveaway. And just in case you didn't see that video, let me pull it up real quick. Check this out. 6 people. I knew shoes was getting ready to bounce. These are the 6 people. Now, this is when I was doing my giveaway. Here we go. All right, so here's how we're going to do this. We're going to go by the process of elimination. You see the speaker on the table? Call Amaya on the phone and have her pick one person at a time and eliminate them. The last person standing will be the big winner. Now I'm calling Amaya up. Calling Amaya up right now. Let's get it in. Using the speakerphone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Birdman hands rubbing together. We're getting ready to do this giveaway. All right, now, I'm going to do another live test, but I just wanted y'all to see that I actually have one of these, and I've been using it for a year. But I love it so much, I got another one, and I decided to share it with y'all because I think people need to see this. All right, so let me grab a little unboxing knife. What we got today, Zombie Killer. Here we go. Wow. Okay, PowerConf S3. Okay, let's see what you get inside now. Okay, more unboxing. Wow. Okay, PowerConf S3. You're going to get your USB Type-C charging cable. So this is USB-A to USB Type-C. Let's see how long this is. This is going to be perfect to throw in your little travel bag. Okay. Nice and long. Giggity. Got your usual books and shit. Perfect. Plug them and file them. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Now it does come with a nice carrying case. Okay. With a little strap on it. Here we go. Okay, now check this out. Now this is the cloth version. The one that I actually have looks like this. So there's actually 2 different versions. This one is a little bit more expensive. I think about $25, but they're basically identical. Same kind of carrying case. Everything looks the same. Okay, so we got a little plastic right here. Let's get them peel that off. Okay, little sticker struggles. Okay, here we go. Right. All right. This is going to be your PowerConf S3. Now, like I said, this thing comes in clutch for me. I sleep in the bed with it. I use it at my desk when I'm using my Zoom app, making my voice calls and all of that. I use this in the kitchen when I'm cooking. Basically, I use this all of the time. Let's look around real quick. Here's your power button. You got your Bluetooth button. Okay, on the top. This is going to be your mute button, so you can mute or unmute. You got your voice button. This way you can answer or reject phone calls. You got play and pause, volume up and down. And if you notice, if you look around, you got mics going all the way around. So 3 mics on that side, 3 mics on this side. On the back, you got a USB-A input. This is how you're going to use to charge up other devices. You got a 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. And you got a USB Type-C slot. This is how you're going to charge up the actual speaker. Okay, so let me go ahead and power this up, and then we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, the first thing you want to do is download the Anker Work app to make sure you have the latest firmware. So I'm doing the update right now. It's going to take a couple of minutes. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Once you power up the speaker, you're going to hit the Bluetooth pairing button. It's going to start flashing. That means it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the PowerConf S3. Now, the next thing you want to do is open up the Anker Work app, sync everything together, and here's what it looks like. Now, you got two different sound modes. You got single-person mode or multi-person mode. You can also raise or lower the volume, and you have your battery percentage. Okay, first, let's check out the USB port on the back. All right, so I'm going to plug in a USB cable, and let's see if we could charge up another cell phone. Okay, there it is, just like that. All right, so now let's try the Bluetooth speaker function. Now I got a classic song queued up. We got Cooking with Floss. Here we go. You can lower the volume or raise it from the speaker, the app, or the phone. Now, if you want to check the battery of the speaker, all you have to do is tap the power button, and there it is. So let's do that one more time. Bang. Full battery. Now, when you want to charge up the speaker, just power it off. You're going to grab a USB Type-C charging cable, plug it into the back, and you get the little LED that lets you know it's charging up. All right, so now let's test out the speakerphone. Now, I'm going to call Amaya up. She should be driving home from practice. Here we go. Okay, so I'm letting the phone ring. PowerConf S3, max volume.
Hello.
Hi, girlie.
Hello, Father.
What's up? What you doing?
I'm driving home from practice.
Okay, how was it?
Average.
All right, go. All right, check this out. But before I get too deep into this, I'm doing a video right now, so I got you live on the air. I need your expert opinions.
All right, so let's get on.
All right, how do I sound?
Questions. You sound very clear.
Okay, now check this out. I'm gonna do a little experiment. Now I'm walking around my table. What about now? How do I sound now?
You left yet?
Yeah, I'm all the way back now.
Oh, you sound exactly the same.
Okay, let me try this one more time. Now, as I'm talking to the viewers at home. You see the lights moving around, following my voice. I'm gonna go to the left of the speaker now. All right, what about now?
You still sound exactly the same.
Sound exactly the same. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, now I'm gonna need you to do one more thing for me.
Uh-huh.
I need you to hang up and then call me right back.
All right.
All right. Bye. Okay, now I want y'all to see how it looks when you get an actual phone call. Okay, let's see how long it takes somebody to call me back. All right, Maya's calling me back right now.
Red heart.
Okay, now I'm gonna answer from the device.
Red heart.
Yeah.
You're not. I called. I answered first.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh yeah. All right. Okay, my bad. Let's try that again. Hello.
Oh, you sound really good. You're so annoying.
All right. So this is gonna be my my new speaker that I travel with.
As you should. You sound good. You need to use this more often.
Yeah, but see, you don't remember. I actually used this when I did that giveaway. Remember? You probably don't even remember. Remember I called you and we was picking winners for this phone. You probably don't remember.
No.
You're too busy out here winning championships.
I don't care.
I know.
Yeah, I have bigger things to worry about.
All right. This is a family show. All right. Let's keep this. This is a family show. All right.
Whatever.
All right. So I'm gonna text you in a minute. Let me go ahead and wrap this video up.
All right.
All right, girlie.
All right. Bye.
Ah! Did you hear she whispered? He's so annoying. That means I'm doing my job. All right. So the speakerphone in this sounds crystal clear. Like I said, this is one of my go-to devices for traveling, for talking on the phone in the bed, talking while I'm cooking in the kitchen. And my favorite, though, scrolling on Instagram and talking to Amaya on FaceTime and letting her think that I'm paying attention to her and I'm actually on my phone. That's a dope feature about this, too. All right, let's keep it moving. Now, one more thing I wanted to mention. If you're on a phone call and you want to mute your voice, press the mute button. You get the big red LED. This way, you'll never have to worry about if your mic is on or off. You can see it. When you want to unmute it, just like that. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Anker PowerConf S3 a major, major, major go. This is the definition of simple and effective tech. So if you work at home, or you talk on the phone a lot, or if you're like me, and you like to lay in the bed and scroll on Instagram while you're on FaceTime, this is a must-have accessory. So you got the PowerConf S3, the regular PowerConf, pretty much the same device. They just look a little bit different, but they work exactly the same. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rope. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you're part of the money team.